The 5S method is sequenced in 5 easy steps. There's a lot of confusion which decreases our efficiency, for example due to search activities. In the first step, we remove all materials that we do not need for our work. These materials will be placed in the red tag area. If the materials are not needed within the game, they will be completely banned from our production later on. The second S stands for set in order and contains the idea of giving each material a defined place. Some visualization elements help you to actually keep the places. Make sure all items have a dedicated position on the workbench. Make them easy to grab and oriented in the right way for the operator. The next S, shine, stands for a clean and tidy work environment.